Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, seeing some sunshine break out here across central, southern, and eastern Kentucky, and expect that to stick around getting into this afternoon. However, we're going to throw in a chance for a few isolated showers and storms that will try to bubble up across the area. Temperature-wise, 76 here in Lexington. We're starting to heat things up a bit. Some middle and upper 70s showing up in some spots. Over Mount Sterling, Moorhead, down in Somerset, Monticello right now, checking in at 77 degrees. Now, temperature-wise today, it's going to be pretty warm and muggy out there. We're talking around 85 upwards to 89, 90 degrees, depending on your location. Bottom line, it's going to be warm. It's going to be muggy out there. Live radar as we scan the skies, nice and dry out there. Right now, changes up a little bit getting into this afternoon. Mid to late afternoon, more than likely start to see a few isolated showers and storms that start to pop. And it's because of this cold front sitting to our north and west, slowly making its move south and eastward, but it's taking its sweet time. But it does provide just enough spark in our atmosphere for a few showers and storms that go up. And notice just that as we continue into mid and late afternoon. Not everyone gets rainfall. The ones that do could get in on some heavier rain, maybe some gusty winds and lightning. That's going to be the main concerns with this setup. Overall severe potential on the low side for today. More the same for your Saturday, and maybe a slightly better chance for some scattered activity as that cold front slowly pushes closer to the Commonwealth, and you can see the activity really lighting up as we get into your Saturday afternoon. The good news is we would start to trend drier getting into Saturday night and your Sunday. It's mainly dry to wrap up the weekend. Can't rule out a small chance for a pop-up shower storm. I think the focal point, though, for our Sunday getting into early next week, it's going to be the heat and humidity. Temperatures start to climb into those lower 90s. And look at Monday, 91 for a high. And we're talking heat indices or feel-like conditions near 100 degrees. So it starts to heat up, getting pretty humid early next week. What about the temperature outlook, though? Looking ahead into mid-month, some cooler air showing up north, warmer air south. That sandwiches us right in between. And typically, when you start to see this kind of setup, could be an active setup. We're talking more rain, more storm chances that could show up as we look ahead over the next 7 to 12 days. All right, 70 forecast showing temperatures heating up, low 90s Monday, Tuesday, really humid conditions expected, and then storm chances ramp up next mid and late week.